Hi friends, welcome to another Immigration 101 video. Before I get started, I want to tell you guys thank you so very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you want to see more of these videos, if you're enjoying what you're getting from me, if you're learning, if you feel like, hey, I'm getting something from her, I like her, I feel her energy, her vibes, whatever you want to call it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's just stay connected. Now, let's get to the issue, the question that is at hand in this video. And that question is, what in the world should you do if you receive a letter from the government asking you for additional evidence? These are called requests for additional evidence, and your letter may very well say a request for initial evidence, and basically it's the same thing. What's happening is that you filed your petition or your application, and the government simply does not have enough information from you to process your petition or application, or you're missing documents, or they just have various questions about the information that you've submitted. They will send you an RFE, a request for additional evidence. Now, don't panic. I know that when you get a letter like that, you think, oh my God, I've messed up. Oh my God, I shouldn't have done it on my own. Oh my God, what's happening? Oh my God, the lawyer must have messed up. Friends, relax, because it happens, okay? And now, under our current president, you should know this, under President Trump, they are making it a little harder, a little bit more difficult for folks, okay? Meaning that they are now sending out letters for additional evidence regarding some very minor things. Really, in some cases, it's just ridiculous, okay? So, but don't panic. Just read the letter carefully. And certainly, if you don't understand it, talk to a lawyer. Don't do this on your own. Do not respond on your own if you don't fully understand what the letter is asking you for. Okay? Now, the second thing you need to do is pay attention to the due date, the response date. Because if you don't respond by the time that they tell you to respond, they can deny your petition or your application outright. They can do so. So make sure you understand whether you have a 30-day deadline, 45 days, 60 days, 187 days, whatever it may be. Pay attention to that deadline. And then thirdly, get started on the response as soon as possible. You don't want to sit on this one. You don't want to wait until the last minute, because it takes time to thoughtfully prepare and gather the documents and information that the government is asking you for. So in summary, take the request for additional evidence letter very seriously, but do not panic. Work with an attorney on the response if you don't understand how to respond to it. And thirdly, get started right away. Do not sit on it. Don't sit on it, friends. You don't want to miss that deadline. And then lastly, whatever documents and information you compile to send back to the government, make a copy of it. Keep it for yourself, and also make a copy of that letter, the request for additional evidence. Make a copy of that letter. Keep everything. Don't ever send the government anything without keeping a copy for yourself. Keep your file, okay? Because you want to have proof that you had indeed submitted the required information on time. You want to track it, by the way, with your mail-in. You want to do certified mail-in or something like that, in which you can track the fact that you submitted it and what date it was submitted and that it was signed for. You want to keep track of all of that, okay? In the event they deny you because they did not receive your documents or your information in time. So that's my tip in this one. I hope it was helpful. Continue to watch these videos. I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe in this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel today, and I will continue to make these videos for you. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.